Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So one of the brands that we sell is called GOF Trumper. It's a traditional British shaving line. They've been around since 1875, so they have 150 years of shaving experience. Today I'm going to show you two of their products, or one product in two different scents called Skin Food. So these are the two scents here, Eucalyptus and Sandalwood. I was juggling bottles between takes and I broke this one, which is why it looks like that, so I won't be demoing that one. But anyway, so the Skin Food, it can be used in one of two different ways. It can be used either as a pre-shave or as an aftershave product. So the consistency is it's like a gel. It's very, very light. Kind of see it on my hand there. Kind of slippery, which works great as a pre-shave because it's going to provide some extra glide. Also helps to lift the whiskers off the face so you get a closer shave. And then as a post-shave, it helps to soothe that sort of tender post-shave skin that's got glycerin in it, which is really nourishing for the skin post-shave. These two scents are two of our more popular scents. We also have the scents in a shaving cream and a deodorant, so if you want to sort of complete your routine with one scent, then this could be a good choice. So of course they're on the website shopmasc.com, the GOF Trumper Skin Foods, and of course if you're in Vancouver you can see it in the store as well. Thanks for listening.